here again with Home Health Success Academy, and welcome to the part 2, which is the second video of this 3-video series in regards to online marketing for your home health agency. So in this video, we're going to be discussing about YouTube and how you can actually use YouTube to take advantage of getting more patients for your company. Now, just to let you guys know, I mean, for our agency, we get approximately around 5 to 7% of our new referrals monthly. It comes from YouTube, okay? So some of you guys saying, well, that's only 5-7%, but if we're getting 9 to 12 patients a month of new admissions, would you want to get that if you use YouTube correctly? I'm sure then likely you would, right? So let's talk about how we use YouTube. Well, one thing is you're watching this video. This video is uploaded on YouTube. This video right now, this very moment, either it came through your feed because you've been searching for things like this, or you've been looking at home health marketing stuff and this video showed up, or we actually pushed this video as an ad to your feed purposely. So it works the same exact way in what we do with YouTube. So YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, next to Google, and Google is pretty much the owner of YouTube, right? And so if video is one of the top searches that shows up in Google. If you're searching for something in Google, sometimes video will show up on that particular subject, other than just the typical ads that you see or the typical search things that shows up in Google. But let's just talk about YouTube right now. So as you guys probably noticed, we put hundreds of videos out in our YouTube page. That's how we get a lot of our clients for our consulting business. But at the very same time, just as we practice what we preach, we also do that for our home health agencies that we own as well. Right? And so what we can do is we can create a lot of different content. And what we do is educational content for seniors and for their family members. Talking about hypertension, talking about how, five things on how to prevent your mom to go to the hospital. We can talk about something like 5 steps to be able to make sure that you have a good diet. Just a lot of different teaching ideas, especially for seniors, fall risk programs, all the different things. In addition, we also put information about our company in it. So to create videos, it's not that expensive. I mean, there's several things that you can do. One, go ahead and learn how to do edit, create videos, purchase some of the sample videos, pay for actors or, to videotape, some sample B-rolls and stuff like that, as they call B-roll, or it's like for commercials when you see somebody talking on the video as a voiceover, and you see actors in the background, whether they're seniors eating or being transferred, however you want to do it. There's the expensive way of doing things, right? And what you can do, or the next thing is, we can do them for you. We can create the video content for you. We can hire people to do voiceovers, just a variety of different things that we can do. And we do it a lot for a lot of agencies. And in those videos, you can post it in your YouTube channel. And what we do is we can actually create a YouTube channel for you and work with it to be able to rank it. So if somebody searches Homecare, I don't know, let's say Boise, Idaho, your videos will search and show up. And the main goal of the videos, when people are doing searches, right? They're searching how to keep mom from hospital, how to find the right home care agency in the area. And so when they're doing the searches like that, your videos are showing up. And it becomes educational. People log into that particular item that they're searching. They see your video, they watch it, and they say, okay, well, these guys, it's nice that they're educating people. So they want to find out more about your company. So what we do is we do that pretty much for a lot of different companies. And what we're actually doing right now is we're actually going to start creating multiple channels, even in cities that my agencies don't exist in, to rank them up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to lease out those channels to companies like yours, if that's something that you want. But of course, you can make your own YouTube channel, right? So that's what we're going to start doing. And so let's say, for example, in your particular area, you don't have a YouTube channel, and we're not there yet. We can go ahead and set the YouTube channel up for you, and then you can go ahead and we'll put all the content in there. You just pay the monthly fees. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be the way it works is we're going to post 4 videos each week, new videos in your YouTube channel. And you don't have to pay for those videos because we'll create it ourselves on what works well. have your YouTube channel ranked up. Of course, you're leasing the channel from us. So we're going to charge $4.99 a month. We'll create 4 videos, post them each for that particular channel, having that post, have it updated to make sure it's there, it's working well. And then your contact information will be there, so the client, if they're searching for something, they can actually find you guys, right? So that's right there, $4.99 a month, but we're going to make sure that all the videos pretty much ranks up when somebody searches home care in a particular city that you guys are targeting, okay? Now, it can also work this way, guys. You can go ahead and say, well, Michael, I just want you to make videos for us. We can do that as well, right? We can create the videos for you. You can create your YouTube channel. We're actually going to come up with a training series on how to take advantage of YouTube, and you go ahead and post it. We'll create the video for you. For every video that we create, we charge $99 for a 30-second video explainer, right? That's how much we charge for those particular items. You own the video, you create the channel, go ahead and do that. That's what we charge. Now, you have the other option. Learn to create the videos yourself, and you can also own the videos. But that's the thing, either or, you can either not do YouTube or do YouTube. But it's a great concept. And, like I said, 9 to 12 patients a month would be beneficial for a company like yours. It is for us. We enjoy it. Of course, our goal is to keep on growing, right? But that's why we have multiple flows of referrals coming in from YouTube, from Facebook, from Google search engines, and of course, our boots in the ground marketing, okay? So that's a strategy you can do for YouTube. Another thing that we can also do for YouTube is that like right now at this very moment, search home care in the city that you're in, somebody would probably look for services. More than likely, some of your competitors are already showing videos there, and it's already ranking up. And if you look at the videos being searched, more than likely some of those videos are years old already, okay? And so what you can do is you can actually create YouTube ads and target those companies. So if somebody goes to their YouTube channel, they're going to see an advertising from your agency first before the person watches that video. Think about this. Most people use this YouTube as a free subscription. They don't pay for the higher subscription, right? Which allows, if you do paid services for YouTube, then you don't have to see all those commercials. So if you have YouTube right now, more than likely when you watch a particular video, there's advertising that goes on in the middle, somewhere in the front of the video, in the middle of the videos, and the ends of the videos. You guys can actually become those companies that are putting those advertisings, but you don't have to have it advertised everywhere, which is a waste of your money. You can have it only advertised to certain channels that people will be searching in your area just for that. So we target other home care companies, their YouTube channels, and we will advertise before their video starts playing, right? So typically, this is something that you can do. You can rank your videos and also create ads to go against videos of your competitors. If you guys start doing that, that's what's going to increase chances for you. You have to understand, the goal in marketing is to do branding strategies and also a push forward strategy of marketing, right? Branding, strengthening your company, and also marketing out there and do sales to be able to gain more clients. YouTube is a great place to do that. Either you can contact us, we can create the channels for you, or we can just create the content and you create the channel. Or number 3, just don't even bother doing YouTube. That is your choice. But guess what? Just like I said earlier on in the other video about Facebook marketing, because of COVID, it exposed other agencies who are not able to have an online branding strategy. And the ones who were strong online with Facebook, with Google search, with YouTube, those are the ones that were able to keep on getting patients. You have to understand, you're watching this video right now because you searched in YouTube or you searched in Google, and that's how you got a hold of our company. So if it's working for us, why can't it work for us to be able to gain patients for our agencies? So once again, you want us to do it for you? Contact us. You want to do it yourself? Start learning how to do some editing, or hire people, pay them hourly to do your edits for you, and pay for actors to do some of those B-rolls, right? And just to let you guys know, just like how we are going to have a Facebook marketing course that we're going to be launching in the middle of this year, We're also going to be creating a YouTube marketing training series where we show how to create some videos, how to be able to post them, how to be able to rank them so that you guys can do it yourself. And a lot of people are already asking us, well, Michael, can you teach us? And so that's why we decided we're going to create that program on how to create YouTube videos, how to be able to post them and rank them. But here's the thing, guys, just to let you guys know, if that's something that you want to watch, we're going to be charging $2,000 just for that course. So my thing is, it's up to you what you want to do. But we want to be able to help you guys out. Whether us giving you guys this idea, like I said, we're giving you this training, we're saying this works, this can help you. It's up to you to take this knowledge and actually apply it to your company. If you have any other questions, please contact us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that are coming out on a weekly basis. This is Michael. Always understand that home health marketing is easy if you know what you're doing.